Okay, rooms are ready. We got 8202. It's one of the fancy square rooms. Does it say our name on the card? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's see. Whoa. What's this?
That's weird. We
have a double entry.
We got 2 doors.
Ooh.
Okay, that's like the weirdest room ever. So what do you think? What's your first impressions?
It's square.
This
It's really cool.
What the heck, man? We never had one of these rooms before.
Wow.
Welcome to the Celebrity Beyond. This is a room tour, Deck 8, room 202. It's an inside room. Let's check it out. Okay, first of all, we've never had a room that had 2 doors. That's kind of weird, but it works. As far as our room goes, we have a desk with the vanity. That's pretty nice. The power box. You got 1 220, 2 110s, 2 USBs. The whole desk area set up. The refrigerator. So you got 3 drawers with 2 sides on them. That's going to come in handy. Nice TV. Got the wardrobe, aka the closet. And then we do have a couch. Always love a couch in a room. That's very, very nice. We do not have USB plugs on the lamps, but that's okay. Nice big old bed. They did put USBs right here. So if you're on this side of the bed, you do have USBs. That's pretty nice. What's behind this door? Oh, look at there. Super big old closet. It's got 3 pull-out drawers, 3 shelves, and a safe. We got a fancy touchscreen thing. It's turned down all the way. The bathroom. Very fancy shower. Yeah, this bathroom's nice. They do have a plug right here. If you have electric shaver or whatever, they do have that plug. 3 shelves. Oh, there's the blow dryer. That's pretty cool. Let's see what these lights do. It's mood lighting. That's just too fancy, you guys. Just too fancy. So it looks like the morning has the best light, but this is interior room 8202 on a Celebrity Beyond. This is a square room. It's very unique. Sorry about the banding, can't really do much about that, but we'll let you know how the room is at the end of the cruise. We got this room for 10 days.